Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of fluid mechanics and machinery. The topic is kinematics and dynamics of flow. Question number 63 from GATE 2015 ME-02 is the head loss for laminar incompressible flow through a horizontal circular pipe is H1. The pipe length and fluid remaining same. If the average flow velocity doubles and the pipe diameter reduces to half of its previous value, the head loss is H2. The ratio H2 by H1 is option A 1, option B 4, option C 8 and option D 16. So we know that the head loss that is given by 4 FLV square D by 2G. So for laminar flow that F is coefficient of fraction is 16 by RE, and L is length, B is your velocity, D is diameter, and G is acceleration of the velocity. Okay, so R is your Reynolds number. For laminar flow, it is 16 by R. Okay, so if we put F here, then it will H head loss will be at 64 LV square divided by RE divided by D divided by 2D, or it will be 64. If we put the Reynolds number as rho V D by mu, then it will be 64 divided by rho V D by 64 divided by rho V D into mu into LV square D by 2D. Okay. So we can see as fluid is same, so density is constant, viscosity is constant, and if it is the function of velocity and diameter, then this velocity will cancel. So then, and length is also constant. Okay, length is same, pipe length is same. So if so, for H to be the function of V and D, the relationship, the dependence is H directly proportional to V square by V divided by D square, or we can say H is directly proportional to V by D square. So when the velocity is V1, then and diameter is D1, then H1 is V1 by D1 square, and when the velocity is V2 and diameter is D2, and head is H2. So H2, so H2 by H1 is V2, this V2 by D2 square divided by V1 into D1 square. Okay. So now H2 by H1 is V2 by V1 into D1 by D2 square. So here it is given that when the average velocity doubles, it means V2 by V1 is 2, the diameter reduces to half. So it means D2 by D1 is 1 by 2, or D1 by D2 is 2. So we can put here the values and find out H2 by H1. So that comes out as 8. So option C is the right answer. So just we have to remember this formula, that head loss is 4 FLV square D by divided by D into 2G, and for laminar flow F is 16 by RE. If we put this and as fluid is same, so its density and viscosity are same, and length is also same, so H is directly proportional to V by D square, and now so H2 by H1 will be V2 by D2 square and divided by V1 by D1 square. So H2 by H1 is 8, so answer is 8, so answer is option